You've seen those oddly satisfying jelly and fruit cutting ASMR videos, right? Ever wonder how they're actually made, like what tools were used, or how the cuts look so clean? I've made dozens of these videos and tested what really works, and today I'm breaking it down step by step so you can create your own and maybe even go viral. Stick around because I'm sharing one simple trick that makes your videos twice as satisfying to watch. Let's get started. This cutting glass fruits ASMR niche is crazy popular right now. Look at how many views these videos get. Here are a few examples. These are shorts. 23,000 views, 27,000, 5,000, 40,000, 21,000. Look at this one. 364,000. This is a 6-second video? That's crazy. This one's under 2 minutes with 297,000 views. Wow, 8,186,000, 31,000. So this niche is really active, and if you haven't watched one of these, let's watch a little of this one so you'll understand. You'll see people cutting different kinds of glass fruit. They have sound too, so that's basically all it is. Most of these are a collection of many different mini videos grouped together of someone cutting fruit or other objects. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these kinds of ASMR videos in case you want to make them for your own YouTube channel. Let's be real. Slicing jelly cubes and glass fruit is the new digital art form, but what if you could make those viral ASMR cutting videos without even touching a knife? Enter Google Flow, the AI video tool that lets you create cinematic slicing scenes with nothing but a prompt. First, you need a Google account and access to Google Flow, a tool that turns text prompts into actual videos. This is the tool I used when making my fruit cutting example videos today. Here's how you can sign up for an account. Basically, you can read the FAQs here. You can try it out for a whole month for $0 if you sign up for a Google AI Pro account. If you decide you don't want it, you can cancel anytime. Just remember to cancel it before the month is out. Alright, so once you've got access to Flow, let's get started. Now I'm inside Google Flow. Let me show you around. It's very simple to use. You put your prompt here, and here are the things you've made. You have some options. I only used text to video. Here are the settings. You can make up to 4 videos. I only made one at a time. You can also choose different settings here. VO2 has no audio, so make sure you choose VO3 if you want sounds. And if you use the fast one, it's a lot cheaper to use than if the quality one. But before I get started, the first thing I need is a prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT and talk about generating prompts first. Now I'm in ChatGPT. I grabbed a screenshot from another video and put it in here and asked ChatGPT to help me make a jelly cube video kind of like that using Google Flow. Then it gave me this. I will add a few sample prompts in the description area for you below. It also gave me some optional enhancements, which I liked. But this is how I did it. I asked for other options, such as clear jelly, or some that were shaped like a dice, etc. I also asked it to define the slicing to be more like a piece of cake or apple. Some I made with Flow are really good, some not so much, so the prompt does make a big difference. If your prompt doesn't give you the results you're looking for, ask ChatGPT to help you make it better. Now I need a prompt to get started. I'll go back to ChatGPT and grab that and put it inside Flow. Then click Go. Just make sure you've got text to video and VO3 fast chosen. I'll get rid of that for now, but I'll show you a few of the ones that I made, good and bad. Here is a jelly one. This dice turned out really good, except for the knife at the end. Here's a few more. This one actually sliced, so I was happy with that. This was supposed to be an orange, like the fruit. And here's a glass banana that wasn't quite what I wanted, so I kept experimenting. Here's the best one I made up to this point. I changed out the prompt a bit to help me get that slicing action better. So, from here on out, my results were better. Very cool. Check these out. So now you know the process. I can't stress how very powerful and simple Flow is to use. You put your prompt in, choose text to video and the settings. Then, click here to make your video. And that's how you do it. I hope you have fun playing with this.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.